Whew. Welcome back, you're watching Tafili Space, and here are the top 5 news picks for the week. Coming in at number 5, NASA's Gold mission launches. The global scale observations of the LIM and DISC Gold mission will measure the temperature and composition of the highest layers of the Earth's atmosphere. The mission was launched on Arianespace's Ariane 5 rocket from Creux, French Guiana. It was launched on the back of a commercial satellite. This launch marks the first time NASA has sent a science mission as a hosted payload on a commercial satellite. The Gold instrument will map temperature and atmospheric composition across different locations. It will send data back to Earth, allowing researchers to build the first comprehensive models of the inner edge of space. Just like how our first weather satellites change our understanding of weather here on Earth, Gold could improve our understanding in the upper atmosphere of our planet's space environment. At number 4, NASA's Kilopower project. With NASA's plans to send humans to Mars and to the moons of the outer solar system, a new energy source is needed. This is the primary driving force behind NASA's Kilopower project. It is a venture between the U.S. Department of Energy and NASA. NASA wanted to develop a new space reactor that meets a range of different missions. The power demands for a human mission to Mars will be far greater than any requirements for a previous robotic spacecraft. The Spirit and Opportunity rovers, for example, their power systems were less than 200 watts, in comparison for a human mission that would require at least 50,000 watts. The Kilopower reactor is simple, inexpensive, and relies on fuels and technologies that are already well understood. This project is the future for human spaceflight beyond Earth's gravitational field.
New Zealand's first satellite in space is a huge disco ball.
At number 3, Rocket Lab's Humanity Star. Rocket Lab launched a 3-foot wide carbon fiber orb called the Humanity Star into the sky last week. It's expected to orbit the Earth once every 90 minutes for the next 9 months before it falls out of the sky and burns up into our atmosphere. Mike Brown, an astronomer at the California Institute of Technology, called it space graffiti, while Andy Howell, an astronomer at the Las Cumbres Observatory in California, called the orb space garbage. Satellites have been a problem for astronomers in recent times. They streak across their field of view, obscuring their research of the outer solar system. Rocket Lab is already considering future iterations of the Humanity Star, once this one is destroyed. At number 2 this week, Falcon Heavy test fires. SpaceX's heavy lift capability rocket, the Falcon Heavy, test fired its engines at the historic Kennedy Space Center. The Falcon Heavy is the most powerful rocket since the Saturn V, which took humans to the moon. It can lift twice the payload as the runner-up rocket, the ULA's Delta IV Heavy. It is expected to carry up to 64,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit. On top of the Falcon Heavy capable of carrying more, it will also cost about 20% less, since the Falcon Heavy will have its first stages touched down and be reused again. The payload for this launch is also interesting. The Tesla Roadster is reportedly installed on top of the second stage of the vehicle. Elon Musk commented on this and said, "I love the thought of a car drifting endlessly through space, and perhaps being discovered by an alien race millions of years in the future." And at number 1 this week, NASA remembers the fallen. Every year, NASA remembers and honors the astronauts who died furthering the cause of space exploration and discovery. The 3 major ones, being Challenger, Columbia, and Apollo 1, are especially remembered. 17 NASA astronauts over the years have given their lives for the space agency. The ceremony was held at the Arlington National Cemetery and the Space Mir Memorial at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. Thank you for watching. If I missed anything, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys next week. Thank you.